Uh, Good morning. Today's our topic for discussion is cell, the basic unit of life. The basic and fundamental unit of life. As we know very well that cell was discovered by Sir Robert Hooke in year 1665. He observed it in the slice of cork under his self-designed microscope. And this cork is nothing but we get it from the bark of a tree. And this slice of cork look like something like honeycomb, which comprises of many compartments, and he called these compartment as cell. Cell is a Latin word which means small room. All the organisms in our surrounding are made up of cells only. There are some organisms which comprises only of single cells, which constitute as a whole organism. These organisms are known as unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms. And example is our amoeba, paramecium, and bacteria. And other one are multicellular. Here the cells are grouped together and perform various functions in a body. And basically we can say that each cell has a capacity to perform certain functions. This is the basic characteristics of every living thing. And each cell comprises of certain components inside it, and these components are known as cell organelles. These are known as cell organelles. And these cell organelles perform various functions like formation of new materials, and removal of waste materials. And so on. So I think this is clear, and let us discuss about the basic structure of the cell. So I am going to draw a rough structure, and here is the structure, simple structure you can see. And see, this is plasma membrane, or we can call it cell membrane. Cell membrane is a selectively permeable membrane that allows the entry and exit of material inside and outside of the cell. And this is the outermost covering of the cell also. And gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen, comes in and out of the cell through the process of diffusion only. Even water also moves by the same process of diffusion. And another one is our cell wall. It is mainly present in plant cells. And this plant cell is the outer covering behind this plasma membrane, and it provides turgidity to the plant cells only. And next one is our nucleus. nucleus. This is our nuclear membrane. This is chromatin. This nucleus is a membrane bonded organelles which has small pores which allow the entry and exit of materials inside the nucleus and the cytoplasm. This nucleus contains chromatin. This chromatin look like thread-like structures when cell is undivided. And this nucleus contain chromatin. Nucleus contain chromatin which comprises of chromosomes, DNA, chromosome, DNA plus protein, DNA and protein. The small segment of DNA, the full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. And this DNA carries the information of inheritance from parents to the next generation. The smallest segment of DNA is called gene. The smallest segment of DNA is called gene. And